wandering through the heart of Paris. A stroll in the city of lights. Imagine stepping into a world where every street tells a story, every corner holds a secret. This is Paris, a city that breathes art, culture, and life. As you wander, the aroma of freshly baked baguettes fills the air, drawing you toward the nearest boulangerie. The sounds of the streets. The moment you take your first step onto the cobblestones, you can hear the distant melody of a guitar. Street musicians play lively tunes, making you want to dance. Their passion is contagious, filling you with joy and excitement. Charming cafes await. Next, you find a small cafe with colorful tables outside. The waiter greets you with a warm smile, and you choose a seat under a blooming tree. As you sip your coffee, you watch Parisians go by, each with their own rhythm and pace. Hidden gems and beautiful gardens. Just a short walk away, there's a hidden garden. You enter the lush green space, surrounded by tall trees and flowers of every color. It feels like a secret escape from the busy streets, a perfect spot to rest and breathe. History comes alive. As you stroll further, you pass by ancient buildings. Each one whispers stories from the past. You pause to admire the stunning architecture, noticing the intricate designs that tell tales of the city's rich history. The Seine River beckons. Soon, you reach the banks of the Seine River. The water reflects the sunlight, sparkling like diamonds. You watch boats glide by and consider taking a boat tour to see the city from a different view. A taste of Paris. Nearby, a food market tempts you with delicious smells. Fresh fruits, cheeses, and pastries call your name. You grab a flaky croissant, the buttery taste melting in your mouth, making you smile. Art around every corner. Continuing your journey, you stumble upon street artists painting vibrant scenes. They capture Paris's beauty on their canvases. You watch as tourists gather, taking pictures of the art and the artists at work. A glimpse of local life. As the day goes on, you begin to notice the daily life of locals. Families walk together in the parks, children play games, while older couples relax on benches, sharing stories. This is the real heart of Paris. Nightfall and city lights. As the sun sets, the city transforms. Street lamps light up, and the Eiffel Tower begins to sparkle. The whole city glows, inviting you to chase the night's adventures. The magic of midnight. You walk along the Seine again, now sparkling under the stars. The sound of laughter and music fills the air. You feel like part of the city, swept into its magical night. Memories to cherish. As you prepare to leave, you realize that Paris is more than just a place on a map. It's a collection of moments, a feast for the senses. Every step you took was a part of a beautiful journey, and each memory is a treasure. Renewed curiosity for tomorrow. With a heart full of memories, you begin to plan your next adventure in this enchanting city. Paris is waiting, and there is always more to explore, taste, and feel.